Yes, welcome back to another episode of Three Man Abroad, out and about, still in Croatia. This time around, specifically in Split, gonna do something off the bucket list.
So what we're doing today, guys, is we are white water rafting. Yes. So we're going to be rafting on the Cetina River, which is about 45 minutes away from the old town in Split. And it's something none of us have ever done before. And it's something we all want to do. And we're so excited to share this with you on the channel.
Yeah, I know, I'm not gonna lie, I was bricking it originally because I can't swim, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing that I noticed or researched is the YouTube fails of white water rafting. And my goodness, do they wipe out
as you do
hard. But you know what? When you're on holiday, when you're with your boys, you just do what you gotta do. Just say you're all in and just go for it. So I'm glad to be sharing this experience with you. But just before we get into that, guys, don't forget to like,
subscribe,
share,
comment,
and smash the notification bell so you guys know when the next banger is coming out.
That's right, you know what time it is.
Let's go.
I know everything to do with love, in actuality.
Because you're in love!
Stop it, I'm not in love.
You know what time it is. Let's go.
What's up, guys? As you can see, fully suited, booted, ready to go.
I appreciate they gave us the boots as well.
Huh?
Hey, I appreciate they gave us the boots as well.
Yeah, can't lie.
I thought the Nike would get destroyed.
Well, my shoes are definitely going to get destroyed.
Why didn't you just get the shoes?
I just wanted to get these cleaned.
No.
Get it. Yeah, but see if you can get some views of the mountain.
Yo.
Let's go. All right, I'm at the front.
That's okay. So you're
You
gonna
have different like weight sizes. Does it matter who sits where?
Can I put my water?
keep
So I'm the heaviest.
Sweater.
Shut up. So how long have you been doing this for?
3 days.
Oh, I was hoping for 2, man, but that's good, man. 3 days is enough, man. 3 days is enough.
Did you say jump out?
No, he's joking, man.
Oh, okay.
Why would he ever say jump out, you idiot?
Tokyo drift, man. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Light work. Hey, wait, baby. Let's go. All day. 1 rep. Anybody can do it. Let's go. 1 rep. All day.
Motivation
Let's
vibe.
go. Yes. Let's go. Jesus Christ. Yes! 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 Let's go! Let's go!
What are we doing? Oh, you even paddling? We're just like going
We're
down.
doing a Tokyo drift out here!
We're just
Let's
doing-
go! Yes! Yes! That was dope! Let's go! Bombastic Day 299! Let's go! That was dope as hell! Go. Alright, let's
Row your boat gently
down the stream! Verily, 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 verily! Oh my god!
Oh, look at this here street.
Woo!
There's a tree right here. There you go. All right, this is for you, bro. I'm gonna leave you a TripAdvisor review saying you called me a little. Oh, mate. And there you go. That's we need to get home first. There you go. That's the view right there.
Hey,
oh,
bro, what's the screaming for, man?
That's right there as well.
You wanna make an intro or whatever?
This is your intro. This is your dive.
Oh. I'm not here to make it special. I'm just gonna run up and down.
Go on. Right, Shaq, do it for the gram. Oh shit! Jesus Christ! Are you okay?
It's cold, isn't it?
Are you okay?
You can get up here. You can get up here. You can get up here. Yeah.
Are you alright?
Cold. I told you. I told you. It was cold. I told you. I told you.
Okay. Alright, Mo, take two.
Alright, now.
Try not screaming like a little this
I
time.
have to do it for vibe because you can't. So, yeah.
Go on.
Do it again.
This one's for me, yeah?
Fight, yeah?
Alright, let's go.
Basically.
Yeah, wait, hold on.
Wait, hold
I'm
on,
coming
yeah.
to you
So
though, still,
basically,
innit? Go on.
I'm gonna smash this dive.
Yeah, let's go.
Watch it,
fam.
innit? Like,
Yeah.
6 foot tall energy.
Yeah,
You
let's
don't
go,
understand.
fam. Let's
so
go, fam.
Come.
Hold on.
Light work, innit?
Light work all day, fam.
Alright, cool.
Let's go. Let's go. You ready?
No, I need to hold my.
All right, boys. We are halfway. Mo done a dive twice. Shaq, how you feeling, mate?
That was the first time I've ever jumped, you know.
There you
Yeah.
go. Yeah. To be honest, I was actually genuinely scared for you. I'll tell you why. Because you ran up all the way and then you stopped.
Kind of hesitated.
And it was this close to that edge.
Yeah, that's why he held it at the side.
Did you even know that?
No,
Yeah. I was like, oh god.
no, because I wanted to kind of spring off the end, but
Yeah, I thought you would just fully jump away, but yeah,
He
man.
just went.
Yeah. So
No,
this
do you know what it
is.
is?
Oh, hold on.
So-
Come.
when the water hits you,
Yeah.
it's so cold.
Yeah.
You forget
It's a
what you're
shock.
meant to be doing, innit?
It's a shock.
So I was like, what the is happening?
It's such a shock.
And then I lost all focus. And I went into panic mode. And then I was like, oh wait, no, I can get up. And then I got up.
Yeah.
And I was like, ah, it's freezing. Then I swam.
There you go.
Yeah, I don't know.
So-
I don't think I'll do that again.
I'll probably do one more.
Honestly, one of the, if you've never done this before, like like myself, or yeah, the rest of the boys, I'd highly recommend you try this out in
fine.
Croatia.
I'll do one more.
Jump.
It ain't happening.
With the life jacket.
No.
With the
no.
life jacket.
I don't care
No,
what
no,
you say.
won't.
No. No.
Bro, you won't even hit the bottom of
no.
the water.
You literally, you'll
Ain't
land on the
ain't
floor.
Bro, you actually land at the base.
No. And with that, I'm the goodbye. Oh, go on.
All right, guys. So we kind of got caught in the vibe and didn't get to do an outro. But in summary, whitewater rafting was amazing. Okay. Now, as you do, you're chilling in the car, you're catching a vibe, and you think for a second, wait, where is the source of the Cetina River? Because, we were rafting for like 3 hours. Yeah. So TMA investigates. And it turns out the source of the Cetina River is also known as the Eye of the Earth. Now, you tell me, guys, if you hear something like that, you can't not check it out. And what we saw and the vibe and it's always vibes, isn't it, with TMA? But this was just something else. I mean, the river itself, at the source, is 140, 150 meters deep. And Mo, being the daredevil that he is, he swam that. And honestly, some of the drone shots we caught are just amazing. Actually, the spot at which we are filming at was actually filmed by someone else on TikTok. and is actually one of the, I think, top 7 highest watched TikToks of all time. Not that TikTok's been around for ages, but you get what I mean. So that's how nice this spot is. So look, check it out.
He's there. Just swam 150 deep. Let's go, mate. Almost there. How you feeling, mate?
I'm shivering all over. My body is tight.
But
it was a good swim.
anything for the gram.
Do it for the gram.
Anything for the gram. You are literally shivering.
I am shivering.
No homo, your nipples are protruding, bro.
Oh, like you in yesterday.
Oh God, forget it. Let's not talk about that.
No, let's bring that up. Okay? You kind of put me on the fire. Yeah.
Oh man.
Few moments later.
Hey, that is mad. Yeah, yeah, that is sick. That's just what I wanted. Alright guys, so we forgot to do an outro for the rafting experience, but we're going to summarize it up for you quickly. So, Vi, what did you like about it?
Is it one thing I can say? That's it.
Just quickly, because you can talk everyone's ears off.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very well prepared. They go above and beyond. They help you out.
That's like 3 things.
Sorry, it's a great time. There you go.
Basically,
Simple as
yeah.
that.
I had a front row seat, so he could see everything. So, yeah. Shaq, what about you?
I think the important thing is making memories with people that you want to make memories with. And rafting is one of those things where whatever you're doing, like if you've never done it before, it's fantastic. If you've done it before, do it again. You'll always find something new to remember it by.
That's a great answer. I want to change my answer.
No takesy backsies.
You said like what, 4 or 5 things anyway.
That's true.
But yeah, no, even for me, like this was the first experience for all of us, and no, that was honestly
It banged.
it honestly banged so well. Like even just putting all 3 of us in like a different activity for like the team build and stuff, and like, you know, all of us having to like rely on each other and not just like, oh, one person do this and like we believe in you kind of thing.
Do you remember when he said when he changed the channel to Chocolate Brothers?
So for context, the tour guide, he got to know us on a personal level. We got talking, and he said, "All right, what's your YouTube channel? Chocolate Brothers." And so we just thought, you know what? When we go back to London, we might have to change it to Chocolate Brothers.
What was it like? White chocolate,
milk chocolate, caramel chocolate. Yeah.
Let us know in the comments section below, guys.
Do you want us to change the YouTube name?
Should we actually change the YouTube channel name to the Chocolate Brothers?
No.
I can't lie, it does slap. But no, in all honesty, like that was such a wonderful experience. But yeah.
Bro, you know what? I gotta go, man. Safe.
Take care.
All right. Bye, Mo.
All right. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So, you know, for all you guys that like the vlogging style that we're doing, you know, just let us know in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so you guys all know when the next banger of Croatia series is coming out. So, in typical fashion, 3 Man Abroad out, and peace.